Imagination is the fifth step to wealth because it is the workshop where all plans are first created. Nothing material appears without first existing in the mind. Every invention, business, strategy, and system began as an image formed by imagination. In the language of the sea, imagination is the shipyard where vessels are designed before they ever touch water. And many people misunderstand imagination and treat it as fantasy. In reality, imagination is a practical tool. It allows the mind to rearrange existing elements into new combinations. This is known as synthetic imagination. Most wealth is created this way, by combining ideas, resources, skills, and systems that already exist into a new form that solves a problem better than before. There is also creative imagination, which generates something entirely new. This form is rarer but powerful. It appears when the mind is focused, disciplined, and emotionally engaged. Creative imagination often emerges when desire and faith are strong. It provides breakthroughs, insights, and unexpected solutions that logic alone cannot produce. Imagination works best when it is directed. Random daydreaming produces little value. Focused imagination, aligned with a definite goal, becomes productive. A captain imagines the route, the conditions, and the maneuvers before executing them. In the same way, a person uses imagination to rehearse success before it becomes reality. Imagination feeds belief. When a person repeatedly visualizes themselves acting confidently and successfully, the subconscious mind begins to accept that image as normal. This reduces internal resistance and prepares the nervous system for action. What the mind sees often enough, it becomes willing to pursue. Imagination must be paired with action. Without movement, images fade. With action, imagination gains clarity. Each step forward refines the image and turns it into a plan. Wealth is built through this cycle. Imagine, act, adjust, imagine again. People who fail to use imagination limit themselves to what already exists. They react instead of create. Those who master imagination become originators. They do not wait for opportunity. They design it. The fifth step to wealth is imagination because it bridges the gap between thought and form. It turns invisible ideas into visible direction. When imagination is trained, focused, and applied, it becomes one of the most powerful assets a person can possess. Subscribe to Map to Wealth and set sail for greatness. Your treasure awaits.